Hey, welcome to Hopscotch. You can unmute this video and keep those closed captions on to follow along. In this lesson, I'll show you how to plant your own garden and make it grow with code. And I'll teach you the editing basics you'll use to make this game your own. Ready? Follow along with me. See the turquoise play button on the top right-hand corner of your screen? Tap that button to make your project come to life. Cool! We're in Chalana's garden and she's dancing. Now, tap all around the screen to plant your garden. Nice! You planted new Venus flytraps. Keep tapping and plant as many as you can. It'll make a popping noise every time you plant a new one. If you want to turn off the sounds from the game, just tap the speaker icon on the top right. Awesome! We've planted lots of things in our garden, and now they'll need a lot of rain so they could grow. Pick up your device with both hands and shake it to make it rain. They grew bigger. Keep shaking your device and see how big you can make them grow. Whoa! They're giant now. They're getting a good amount of sunlight, but I want you to see what'll happen when there's too much sun. Tap the yellow circle to make the sun shine extra strong. They've gotten smaller now, right? Pick up your device and shake it to make it grow again. Great job gardening! I'll see you in the next part of this lesson where you'll get to make this game your own. Let's go back to the editor where you could code along with me to customize your game. Tap the Edit button on the top left. It's the gray button with a back arrow. Right now, we're in your project's editor. You'll know that you're in the editor because your background will look like graph paper, and you'll have a plus button on the bottom half of your screen. If you're on an iPad, you'll see the Editing Project label on the top center of your screen. For your first edit, I want you to make Chalana and Venus appear on the other side of the garden. Drag Chalana and Venus over to the left side of your screen, one at a time. I'll place them right here, but you could drag them to any part of the screen you want. Great! Now, notice how Chalana is just as tall as the plant? Let's make her taller. Make Chalana bigger by pinching her and widening your fingers, like this. Cool! That looks great! It's time to run our code. Press the turquoise play button again to see the new version of your game come to life. Tap to plant your garden. I'm going to make a star pattern, but you can make your own design. Awesome! You've made your first edit. You've just planted a zillion Venus flytraps. To clear your garden and start planting again, tap the replay button on the top right of your screen. It's the square with the circular arrow inside. Nice! All right, you just learned how to press play to run your code and bring your projects to life. You also learned how to move things around and make things bigger and smaller in the editor. And finally, you planted a zillion Venus flytraps, which is object instantiation, the computer science term for adding new objects to a game. Try planting more and making more patterns. You could stick around to make changes to your project, or go explore more games and become a coder in Hopscotch. I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll talk about all things code. Happy hopscotching!